What should we leave for you? Our generation will have to wear masks and live with oxygen support all the time. What will money do when there will not be any oxygen or there will not be any water around it? So I asked this question to Piyanch. Kumal was also there with me at that time. That Piyanch, what gift do you want us to leave for you, or what kind of things that you want from your parents when we get old and when there comes a time when we will have to leave? What should we leave for you? And his question amazed both of us. Piyan said that the only thing that I want you or anyone from your generation to leave for us is a sustainable environment. We want something where we can breathe. I've seen some reels, I've seen some videos, and I saw that our generation will have to wear masks and live with oxygen support all the time. So if you can leave a world where we can live and where we can be happy, I'll be more than happy about that. I don't want anything materialistic. Kids age 8 and age 10 have this to say, and we want to accumulate wealth and say that, okay, for my next 7 generation, my next 20 generation, I want to earn hundreds of millions of rupees and leave that for them. They actually don't want that. What will money do when there will not be any oxygen or there will not be any water around it? Let us think once again, what are we trying to leave for our next generation? ESDS has planted more than 10,000 trees in last couple of years' time, and big jungles have been created where leopards and other animals are living together today. ESDS has planted millions of seeds and gifted millions and millions of seeds to Forest Department in Maharashtra, and they have planted millions of trees all over. Look at this videos around you, and you will see how small trees of mango and java plum, mulberry and people and amla and so many other trees have come out naturally just from the seeds. Look at this beautiful jungle, this land had nothing 12, 13 years back, and look at the beautiful jungle today. This is what ESDS believes in, and this is what ESDS exists for, to give back to the mother nature, to leave a sustainable and a green world for the next generation.